Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2022 VCE Physics. We will focus on questions related to magnetic flux and Lenz rules. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. A DC motor is turning clockwise in a uniform magnetic field. This field is parallel to the coil at the initial position. Applying the right-hand slap rule, fingers to right, palm up, the current flows from K to L. The current will flow from L to K. No explanation was required. We know the value of the forces in magnetic field, the coil length, and the coil turns. These numbers are substituted into the equation, and the current is calculated. A square loop of wire is placed close to a long wire carrying a constant current. Movement A, this loop rotates around the x-axis. Movement B, the square is parallel to the current. The speed is constant. Movement C, the square is moved perpendicular to the current. Sketching EMF is generated in a square loop during motion on the axes provided, but scales and values are not required. Stating the direction of current induced as alternating, clockwise, anti-clockwise. If no current is induced, no current should be written. Movement A is alternating because the loop is rotated at a constant speed. Since magnetic flux is not changed when the loop is moving parallel to the current, movement B does not induce any current. When the loop is moving away from the current perpendicular to the current, the magnetic flux decreases. So, the current is induced. Applying the Lenz rule and the right-hand rule, the current of the loop is clockwise, and EMF should be decreased gradually. We know the area, the magnetic flux, and coil turns. These values are substituted into the equation, and the strength of the magnetic field is calculated. To calculate the EMF, we should substitute the coil turn, magnetic flux change, and time change into the equation. The key is a time change, which is a 1/4 period because rotating a 1/4 circle is equivalent to 0 to full magnetic flux. No multiple choice questions are in the section, but 3 short answer questions are awarded 16 marks in the magnetic flux and Lenz rules. The overall score for this section is 16 points. With a total possible score of 130 points, the percentage for this section is 12.3% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lou's VCE Biology channel.